We're doing it on Omega. Episode 395, part 1. DRYTRON versus DRYTRON. I was surprised I win this one. DRYTRON shenanigans. Just full combo right there. But I have some interruptions here. You got Zeta, Ben 10, you got the Meteor DRYTRON, Ben 10, Diviner, Fafnir. Fafnir, Imperm's always good for Fafnir. Diviner, I was thinking of, or did I do that? No, I didn't. I'll let it go through. We got I to 10. What the heck did he do? Oh, he went. Oh, he drew a card, then 10's gonna get another Diviner. Maybe on DRYTRON, okay. I to 10, I to 10's gonna get it back. How many times did he get that fucking ritual spell back? Beatrice. He detached, he was gonna send Eva, I lit him up. Oh, orange. Negated by orange, but then he just sent to the graveyard, the ultimateness. Maybe on DRYTRON, Gamma. Oh, it doesn't matter if he goes to the grave because he could be special summoned from the grave, yeah. I thought he was gonna go for a Dragoon here. No Dragoon. Dragoon would have been, and I just got negated here. Everything I did. Reborn. Who was it trying to reborn? Fafnir. Maybe use this for Natasha. No. Not a fan. I told him I had Mirror Force set. Ooh, he tributed for Draconids. Attach, okay. Okay. Got Delta draw. Beta Fafnir. Dumping another Delta. Maybe on his DRYTRON. I to 10, I to 10, getting that back. Not for a Boral Sword. Tac, effect. Oh. Boral Sword finish. Despokin wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. And then I came back here. I was like, no way he's gonna beat me with DRYTRON if I upload this. It's gonna be uploaded no matter what. That'd have been so embarrassing, but what did I side in there? Triple Droplet and fuck, I forgot. But game 3 I did triple Droplet and triple Dark Ruler, no more. Oh, Gamma. Alright. I was debating on just going like this, tributing, but then you could do Linkaribo. So Gamma can get back something, so we got another body right there, you know. Benton for Divine, Fafnir effect, dump Zeta, Diviner, send Herald, add ultimateness, Zeta tribute, ultimateness, add Meteor DRYTRON. DRYTRON, attach from Fafnir, ultimateness, DRYTRON, decrease attack by 1000 at back, activate, detach, ritual, overlay effect, send, grave effect, banish, add those two. For the birthday, copyright as Dragoon. Copyright as fusion for Dragoon. Setting the Droplet. I thought it was good. Here. And I always rush with the negates. I even negated that one. But then if this gets negated, you could just discard a card and I'll add it back. At this time I did not negate that one. Negated the alpha. Alpha, tribute Zeta. Okay, Zeta. Let's get that. After. Droplet. Sending. I was like, okay, I'll just negate your. And then it's like, why would he attack? And then, oh no, he attacked in his Tease monster. Goes into a downward first, and then a Zeus. Before Zeus, quick effect, send Delta. He wiped the board. Alpha, Natasha. Medium DRYTRON is going to decrease this guy's attack by 1000, add back from hand, and he Zeused it. And it... What the heck? Good target, so it missed his target. Yeah. Still same thing, because he doesn't have any materials now. Zeta tribute Natasha, get Medium DRYTRON, and he knew it was going to take his monster. Let's do it! Game 3 is just ridiculous. This is where I decided in triple droplet and triple dark ruler no more, because I thought he was gonna go first and just build a board, but this is what he did. I thought this was an end perm for some reason. Cyber emergency. Who did I get there? I don't know. One of those two. Who did I get there? Revealed Zeta? Zeta. Alpha Zeta Benton. Call by Zeta. Bang. Ranker Repo. Gamma Tribute. Benton. Special. Let's do it! Does he have a deck? He does not have a deck, that's whatever. We were at 1164, 1184. We were at 258, 259. Almost there, guys. One more ghost. All ghost. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.